Hi, do you know what is the difference between cryptocurrency and the stock market when it comes to investing? Crypto, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, has made headlines with wild price swings and big gains. It's decentralized, and many see it as the future of finance. But beware, it's incredibly volatile. One tweet can send the market soaring or crashing. On the flip side, we have the traditional stock market, offering a more stable and predictable form of investment. Stocks in companies like Apple, Tesla, and Amazon have shown consistent growth over time. Stocks are less risky, and many have been building wealth through them for decades. If you're a risk taker with a stomach for volatility, crypto might be worth a shot. But if you're after long-term, steady growth, sticking to stocks is the smarter move. Thanks for watching.